Well, we came out to look at the snow and we saw the ducks hiding up under the bridge and they were hungry. So we went and bought 5 loaves of bread and fed them, and they even walked up and took it out of our hand. So it was a really cool snow day.
Well, I have to walk all the way to Story Lane by Rough Airport down to the Bogman station in the snow and ice, and it's tough, because I fell down on Wednesday, or Tuesday actually, and hurt myself some, but it is tough getting around on this ice and snow.